What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Everything AMG. My name's Joe, and in today's episode we're starting the first of a 4-part series involving the salvage repair of a Mercedes C63 AMG W205 saloon model. The car was brought to us last week by a customer of ours. It was brought from auction. Now, this vehicle was involved in an extremely bad accident at about 130 mph. I don't really know the ins and outs of the accident. That's the only information I actually know. Now, nothing on the front end of this vehicle is salvageable whatsoever. I think the only things we've actually been able to save are the passenger side headlight and the passenger side wing. So the rest of the front end is going to have to be brought in, unfortunately. Now, this isn't cheap whatsoever. We are going to be replacing full front bumper, driver side headlight, driver side wing, full rad pack. Even the subframe is badly damaged on this car. The driver side turret is also bent out of shape, so this car is going to be required to be sent off to be jigged. So this series will continue as soon as the car is back from the jiggers, which we're hoping to get back by the end of the week. So you should see the next episode next week. Hit that subscribe button, drop me a follow on Instagram, and keep an eye out for my notifications as to when the next episode is uploaded. I'll see you guys then. Take care.